Hello my friends, Katie here with Eastwick's Paper and Ink. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Today I want to welcome you to our Christmas in July video hop. This is the time to take stock of your Christmas crafting stash, take note of what you have and what you'll need. We hope to inspire you to start thinking and planning your Christmas projects. Our hop starts today, Saturday, July 11th, 2020, and goes through Friday, July 17th, which happens to be my birthday. This gives you plenty of time to watch and comment on all of our videos. The giveaways will be announced by July 22nd on each individual channel, and a list of all the winners will be located over at Monica Taylor's blog, tailormadecardsforyou.com/blog. At the top of my description box, you will find a link to the next person on the hop. Please pay close attention. As some of us will be giving away a prize on our channel, and each of us will have our own rules for how to enter. So here is a brief glimpse of what I will be giving away, and it is a gift set of these Christmas cards. So I'm going to show you how to make one, and there will be a dozen cards and matching envelopes, and I'm going to show you how I made both of them. In order to enter into the giveaway, you need to be a U.S. resident. I'm sorry, international friends, but because of shipping and times and costs, I have to limit it right now to U.S. only. You must be a subscriber to my channel, and I simply want you to leave me a comment telling me what you love about the holiday season. I love the colors, the sparkle, the lights, colored lights. I see enough white lights every day. So I like the colored lights. It's just a vibe that I get at the holiday season. And when I was a kid, I grew up in Rochester, New York, and downtown they had the monorail. And they had this big winter wonderland thing in the middle of the mall, and they had the monorail up above, and you can get on the little monorail and ride around, and I loved it. It's, you know, presents are cool, but and of course always a bonus, but I just love the feeling I get at the holiday season. So let me know in the comments below what you love about the holiday season to be entered into the giveaway. And so you quickly saw that I was going through, as I was talking about the giveaway, what I'm going to be using. So I've got a snowflake background stamp, I've got some A2 waffle flower die set, and for those frames I use the number 5 and the number 7. So counting from the largest to smallest is how I count down. And then the number 6 I use to cut the Merry and Bright panel. Now I do use the second one down from the top to trim up the snowflake panel that I'm going to make, so that I have a nice white border around the card base. And so I'm breaking out my glimmer system, and I'm just using some red foil for the Merry and Bright sentiment for the glimmer plate. And I can't recommend enough the heat resistant tape for your hot foiling. I talk about it every time I do a foiling video, and I'll continue to talk about it. It is the best investment you can make for your hot foiling system. Don't bother with the washi tape. Just go right for the heat resistant tape, which I picked mine up at Walmart. It's a Cricut brand, but they do sell it at Amazon and stuff like that. So I'll link everything that I use up in the description box below, just so you can look and see exactly what it is and make your purchases to whatever suits you. So here I'm using the Silvery Shimmer Delicata ink for these snowflakes, and the inside I'm going to be using the Ruby Red for the inside sentiment, the Ruby Red Delicata ink. And so here I'm just trimming up my frame, and that is going to frame the Merry and Bright sentiment. And I just use a bead, very thin bead of art glitter glue, and I found doing it this way versus trying to adhere it to that foil or, you know, the metallic cardstock just worked a lot easier and made less of a mess to line everything up. And we also, for the card set, so there's a dozen cards in the card set that I'm giving away, but there's also going to be a matching envelope for each of the cards, and I'm going to show you that later in the video. And so the card base I'm doing here is the Neenah 110 pounds, so nice heavyweight sturdy cardstock. And here I'm showing you that I trimmed that snowflake panel down with the second die down from the A2 waffle flower set. And I'm using some foam tape because I want to pop this panel up, the Merry and Bright panel up. And I normally use Fun Foam, but I didn't have enough to complete all the cards, so I just opted to use my foam tape. And so once we get the panel, the Merry and Bright panel adhered to the snowflake panel, we are going to attach that all together and then do the sentiment. I can't remember if I did the sentiment first. I think I did. But for the sentiment, I'm using the Christmas Wishes, like I said, from, maybe I didn't say that in the beginning, but Christmas Wishes stamp set from Simon Says Stamp. There's just, I love all the little sentiments. I mean, there's wishing you health and happiness this holiday season and the year to come. May peace be in your home, your hearts and your home this Christmas. You know, I mean, it's just, I use the wishing you love and joy this holiday season for the inside of this. And again, throwing some art glitter glue on there, and that's what I'm going to use to attach the whole panel to the card base. And that's going to complete the card, and I'm going to quickly show you the envelope. So for the envelope, I use the Mama Elephant Snow Flurry snowflakes, and I just cut them out of that silver cardstock. And I'm going to use my art glitter glue to attach. Now I could have used double-sided adhesive, but art glitter glue stays nice and flexible once it's dried, and it adheres. I know a lot of you who watch my channel know about art glitter glue. So to put it on your envelopes, to be able to get it through the mail, it's the way to go. And that completes the card in the envelope, guys. And here this is what it's going to look like when it gets shipped to you. And will include a little gift tag that if you would like to give it away as a gift yourself, that you'll be able to have a little gift tag to go with it. And that's going to wrap it up for me today, guys. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you in the next video.